What if the key to unlocking your brain's full potential lies in the quiet hours before the sun rises? Imagine a time when your mind is clear, focused, and brimming with creative energy. That's the power of 5 a.m. Many successful individuals credit their achievements to harnessing the early hours. It's a time of day when the world is still asleep, and you can connect with your inner self. By embracing the dawn, you tap into a wellspring of mental clarity and focus. This isn't just a whimsical notion. There's scientific evidence to support the benefits of waking up early. When you rise with the sun, you align your body's natural circadian rhythm, leading to better sleep, increased energy levels, and improved cognitive function. As the first rays of sunlight peek over the horizon, your brain's prefrontal cortex, responsible for executive functions like planning and decision-making, is at its peak. This heightened state of mental acuity makes it the ideal time to tackle complex tasks, strategize, and set your intentions for the day. Studies have shown that early risers tend to be more proactive, organized, and better at problem solving. They experience lower stress levels and report feeling more in control of their lives. This enhanced mental clarity allows for deeper focus and increased productivity throughout the day. By embracing the 5 a.m. secret, you gain a significant advantage over those who hit the snooze button. While the rest of the world is still asleep, you're already making progress towards your goals. Oprah Winfrey, a global media leader and entrepreneur, is a firm believer in the power of the 5 a.m. routine. Rising before the sun allows her to start her day with intention, clarity, and focus. She attributes her incredible success, in part, to this disciplined approach to her mornings. This dedicated time for herself allows her to meditate, exercise, and plan her day, setting the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. Oprah's story is not unique. Countless successful individuals across various fields credit their accomplishments to the power of an early start. By adopting this simple yet profound habit, you too can unlock your full potential. Section 4. Your 5 a.m. Blueprint. Ready to experience the transformative power of the 5 a.m. secret? Here's a simple blueprint to get you started. 1. Start gradually. Begin by setting your alarm 15 minutes earlier each day until you reach your desired wake-up time. 2. Hydrate and fuel. Drink a large glass of water upon waking and have a light, nutritious breakfast to kickstart your metabolism. 3. Move your body. Engage in at least 30 minutes of exercise to boost your energy levels, improve focus, and reduce stress. 4. Quiet your mind. Spend a few minutes meditating or practicing gratitude to cultivate inner peace and set a positive tone for the day. 5. Plan and prioritize. Review your goals, create a to-do list, and prioritize your tasks for the day, maximizing your productivity. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your new routine for at least 30 days to experience the full benefits. Section 5. Embrace the dawn. Unleash your best. Waking up at 5 a.m. is not about sacrificing sleep. It's about investing in yourself. It's about reclaiming your mornings and designing a life you love. By embracing the dawn, you unlock a world of possibilities. Give it a try for just 1 week and observe the transformation in your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. You might be surprised by what you can achieve when you win the first hour of your day. The 5 a.m. secret is not a magic solution, but it's a powerful tool for unlocking your brain's full potential. It's a commitment to yourself, your goals, and your growth. So, set your alarm, greet the dawn, and embrace the extraordinary life that awaits you.
Are you ready to unlock your brain's full potential? Try waking up at 5 a.m. for just 1 week and see how it transforms your mind and your life. Share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on living your best life. Start tomorrow. Your brain will thank you.